If you're someone who's asking yourself, is this where I'm supposed to be? Is this my life purpose? Or perhaps you're someone who's experienced some kind of traumatic experience. During the Finding True Self retreat, you'll tap into a deeper sense of awareness and connection to your true self. Some of the tools that you receive from Finding True Self is learning how and when to act in your authentic self and unauthentic self, emotional maturity, the ability to express yourself freely, and my personal favorite, the ability to recognize when you're acting in an old pattern or habit that no longer serves you or adds value to your life. And then in the moment, have the willpower to change. One of the highlights of Finding True Self is our body-mind harmonization workshop. During this workshop, we're doing tapping and somatic movement to get into the feeling of the body. The reason why we have doubt or fear or self-judgment is because we don't have enough space to truly find the most authentic version of ourselves. Through the somatic movement, through the tapping, through unplanned thinking and thought, we can really release all the energy, emotional tension from the body and our mind to become one with the truest version of ourselves.